Hello friends, it's me, Urmila Agarwal. Our subject is Information Technology, code is 402, and today's we will discuss about the LibreOffice Writer. In this class, we will discuss some kind of the topics are here. First is how can we insert a picture in our screen? How can we drag and drop picture? Next point is cut, copy, paste of your picture. How can we modify an image? Next, using the image toolbar, how can we crop our image and how can again we resize our picture. Delete a image, grouping or ungrouping our drawing objects, and the page website. So as in the previous class I already explained how can we insert our LibreOffice Writer. When you open your LibreOffice Writer, then you can see this kind of the image will be there. So today we first discuss about the how can we insert a picture. As you know, we go to the insert option in our toolbar. Then when we click on the insert option, picture option will be appear there. Just in illustration group, select your picture option. After that, a drop down menu will be appear there. A box will be appear there. You can select your picture from your gallery of picture or library of picture. After that, you can be click on insert. When you click on insert option, you can see a picture on your screen. Now if you don't want this picture, just press your delete button from your keyboard and picture will be delete your screen. If you want to another picture, just go to the insert option, go to picture, and after that a dialog box again will be appear. You can select your picture and picture will be appear on your screen. If you want to be resize your picture, then how can we modify or change, how can we changes our picture, how can we do the resize our picture. So just select your picture, and after that you can see on your screen there are 8 handles on your pictures corners will be appear. You just select these corners and drag your pictures corners. The picture will be again can resize. If you want to be short your picture, if you want to be big in size of picture, you can be rearrange and resize your picture. Next point is how can we drag and drop our picture. So just go to the image and select your image. After the selecting your image, just press the shift key and drag your mouse on screen and press your mouse button there. After that you can see your picture will be appear on your screen. Our next point is how can we copy and paste our image. So what we do in the previous class I already told you, cut, copy and paste. Shortcut key of the copy is Ctrl plus C. For paste, Ctrl plus V. If you are using the cut also, then you can use the Ctrl plus X. What is the difference between the cut, copy and paste? Cut. Cut means remove your data and picture from here. Copy, the similar part of your data or picture will be another the part is here, the similar copy. Next is paste. Paste means where you want to be where you want your data or picture, you can be just paste there your picture or data. So first select your picture, right click on there. You can see 3 options are here easily: cut, copy or paste. When you use cut option, then your picture will be removed on your screen. If you want to be again your picture, then just go to the desired location where you want your picture and use cut paste option. Right click on screen with mouse and use paste option from your dialog box. Otherwise you can just use Ctrl plus V shortcut key. Next point is copy. If you want to the similar copy of your picture, select your picture and just use Ctrl plus C. You can see the another copy of your picture. Otherwise you can use select your picture, right click on your picture, then dialog box will be appear. You can see use here from copy option and go to the desired location and paste your picture. Next is here cropping a image. What is the meaning of the cropping? Cropping means you select a part of picture, you select of a data, and you don't want to unwanted area of your picture or data. Just select a particular that you want, and after that unwanted part will be unhighlighted. So rest of the part will be cut from there. So if you want to be crop your image, just select your image and right click on your image. You can see there option is here crop. When you select your required data and just use this option, you can see your particular picture will be there. Next is drawing object properties toolbar. For the drawing object properties toolbar, first we go to the view option. There is a toolbar option, go to the toolbar, then you can use the properties option of the drawing properties. You can use from there. You can see after a property of the toolbar, drawing toolbar, you can see these kind of the property options are here. You can see line and line properties, line की आपको width height किस तरह की चाहिए. You want to be change the color of your picture. If you want to be text wrapping means your picture where will be what is the position of your picture after the text or before the text, between the text, left side or right side of your text. Next is how can we crop a dialog box. So select your image and right click on the crop. When you click on the crop option, you can see a dialog box also there. You can use this dialog box help set the margin of your picture, left side, right side, top and bottom. You also set the height of width of your picture, and just setting of your picture height and width and left right part. After that you click on OK. According to your requirement, your picture size will be changes are here. Next, grouping or ungrouping. Grouping, what is the exactly meaning of the grouping is here. Your pictures or your data will be in a scattered form and you want to be in a single entity. Your data means you can see easily here. I am using here three objects. First is a circle here, another is in a picture here, and third is in a sample text I am using here. And I want to these three objects in a single entity, means in a single frame. So what we do, we first go to the format tab. After that go to group option. In grouping group option, you can see here 3 points are here. First is group, second is regroup, and third is ungroup. So first I want to use group option, so my these three picture in a come into in a single frame. When I click on group option, these three pictures you can see in a single frame. Next is ungrouping. Ungrouping, I already told you, I use my three scattered pictures in a single frame. Now in a single frame, these three objects I will be again in a scattered form. So I use here ungroup this picture. So first we go to format option, click on format tab. When we click on the format tab, then go to the group option. In group option, I use here ungroup. Next is wrap set. I already told the wrap set means where you want to be the picture between the left side of the content, right side of the content. If you want to the between the page, you want to the set as your picture as in a background of the text. So you can choose be according to your requirement any options here. So what we do, first we use our picture, select our picture, right click on picture, then select wrap option. After the wrap option, you can just click here. You can see another dialog box will be appear here, and these multiple options like wrap off, page wrap, wrap left, wrap right, wrap through in the background. So you can choose any option from here according to your requirement. Hope you understand every point. So please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.